Roof coatings are seriously a game changer if you want to keep your roof lasting longer without ripping it all off and starting fresh. So here's the deal with roof coatings. They're basically liquid layers you slap on top of your existing roof to protect it and make it last way longer. You've got options like acrylic, silicone, and elastomeric coatings. Each one has its perks depending on your roof type and climate. If your roof is metal, which is super common for sloped roofs but can work on flats too, coatings can add extra protection against rust and weather damage while helping reflect sunlight to keep things cooler inside. When applying, make sure the surface is clean and dry, because any dirt or moisture can mess with how well the coating sticks. You'll usually need a couple of coats to get a good, even layer, and it's best to do this when the weather's nice and dry for a few days. Also, don't forget to check the manufacturer's instructions. They'll tell you exactly how thick to apply it and how long it takes to cure. If you don't feel like doing it yourself, hiring a pro who knows roof coatings can save you headaches and ensure the job's done right. Lastly, keep in mind that while coatings extend your roof's life, they're not a permanent fix if your roof's already in bad shape. One of the biggest mistakes with roof coatings is skipping the prep work. If you don't clean the roof thoroughly, the coating won't stick well and could peel off fast. A quick fix is power washing the surface and letting it dry completely before starting. Another common issue is applying the coating too thin or unevenly, which leads to weak spots where water can get in. Just make sure to follow the recommended thickness and spread it evenly with a roller or sprayer. Lastly, people often apply coatings in bad weather or high humidity, which messes with drying time and effectiveness. The simple solution is scheduling your project when the forecast looks clear for at least 3 straight days. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're hunting for trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with roof coatings or other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their skills, making the whole process way less stressful for everyone involved.